let me teach you something, yeah. Today we're going to prepare something. We're going to make these eggs. There are 4, but my hand can only hold 3. And here I have a butternut, squash. Excuse my sink and everything, but it's none of your business. Focus on what I'm telling you. Then we have here fats, So for these meals, unajuanga zinafaa kuwa na vitu 3 macros. The first one for our carbs. Okay, let me just tabulate kwanza kila kitu. So we have carbs, proteins, and what else? Fats, yeah. And as I said, for our carbs we're going to have this butternut squash, yeah. Around here people nasikianga wakiita kamalenge kadogo, I don't know, but it's in that family. And then for protein, we're going to have eggs, 4 eggs. For fats, natural ones, healthy avocados, yeah. And that's all. And the method that I'm going to use this thing to cook these things is 1. For the eggs, I'm going to dry fry them, no oil at all. And for the butternut squash, I'm going to boil it. And the avocado, we don't need to cook the avocado. So yeah, that's how I'm going to do it. And tomorrow, when you wanapenda veggies, I'm going to have veggies tomorrow. So don't judge me. I already have what I need to stay healthy. Yeah. Peace. Goodbye.